Start by heating water in a pan, add some salt, some oil, and then take 2 packets of veg Hakka noodles, or you can also use 2 packets of instant noodles. When the water comes to boil, add the noodles. Till the noodles boil, let's cut some veggies. I have taken 2 green bell peppers. You can also use 2 red bell peppers, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions and 2 green chillies. I have sliced and diced them accordingly. The big pieces are for the toppings and the small pieces are for frying. Let's check the noodles. Dry the noodles and keep them aside. Now add some frying oil in the pan. I'm using the ginger and garlic paste from Smith & Jones. Now add the chopped vegetables. Fry until the onions are golden. Now let's add the spices: turmeric, red chilli and salt. I'm also using 2 packets of Maggie masala-e-magic. Also add the sauces, the soy sauce, red chilli sauce, green chilli sauce and vinegar, and add the noodles and mix thoroughly, and there you are, tasty noodles are ready. Since I have taken 2 packets of veg Hakka noodles, I'm taking 4 eggs. You can take as much as are needed. Beat them thoroughly. Take a microwavable dish, grease it nicely with butter or ghee. Spread the noodles evenly. Take the eggs and spread it over the noodles. Now take a fork and spread the eggs evenly on the noodles. Now layer the noodles with some pizza sauce and the chopped vegetables. Add mozzarella cheese, and I have also added sliced cheese over it. Now bake it for 20 minutes in the oven. Eating time. I tasted the noodles while the noodle pizza was getting ready. The noodle pizza after 20 minutes is just ready to eat. And it was so tasty. Trust me guys, it was tastier than the Domino's pizza we spent rupees 500 or 600 on. Try the recipe and let me know in the comments how do you like it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the recipe, a thumbs up won't hurt, right? You know the more, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more content. Bye, see you soon.